Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Filicoin price prediction and Filicoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filicoin in 2022. Filicoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filicoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filicoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filicoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filicoin, among other projects. Swift downturn. They all saw two descending triangles in the last 6 months, as the bears displayed their one-sided dominance. Consequently, it fell below its near-term EMAs, while forming a sturdy trendline resistance. Not surprisingly, the super trend remained in the red zone since September of last year. With the recent fall, Fil fell towards its all-time low on 24 February at the $16 mark. The sellers have been pushing the peaks below, while the buyers try to cope up at the $18 support. From here on, immediate support becomes the most vital price point for the bulls. If the price finds a close above this level, it would most likely enter into a squeeze phase between the $18-$20 range before falling back further. Any close below the $18 mark would trigger a selling signal, as the bears could try to find newer lows. The RSI has been oscillating sideways, while the price marked lower peaks. This reading kept the bullish revival hopes alive from the $18 mark. Its immediate trendline support at the 36 mark would be vital for the bulls to defend. The MACD has rather taken a back foot as its histogram lunged below the zero line, while the lines were on the verge of a bearish crossover. Conclusion: Fil truly walked on thin ice now. The buyers must uphold the $18 support to prevent a major fallout. In which case, a near-term tight phase around its point of control would be likely before the alt falls back into its long-term trend. Besides, keeping an eye on Bitcoin's movement and the broader sentiment would be important to complement the aforementioned analysis, and would be executed. After Filicoin and Internet Computer, VeChain and EOS have also mounted large rises. The VET token powering the VeChain network is currently up nearly 20%, while EOS's eponymous token is enjoying a rise of more than 16% over the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. And Bitcoin's whopping market share of the entire industry, its rise has been the primary motor behind the wider recovery in the markets. It remains to be seen how long the bulls can maintain control, however. And second news: Gitcoin grants have raised more than $1 million in Ethereum for Ukraine. As the military conflict between Ukraine and Russia continues, WEB3 has stepped up for Ukraine, sending nearly cap, an increase of more than 150%. Filicoin hit a record high of $237.24 in April of 2021. The top price of the cryptocurrency marks a 4,600% gain from its ICO price of $5. As of its height, a $1,000 investment in Fil would have been valued at about $50,000. Tezos XTZ is another coin that started its pre-sale in 2017 and is one of the largest in cryptocurrency history. Tezos XTZ raised almost $232 million in less than 2 weeks. In the words of its creators, it's the last cryptocurrency, and it's meant to last. XTZ holders have the option of voting on proposed protocol changes. Tezos XTZ coin holders achieved an all-time high in October 2021, notwithstanding this fact. This raises the issue of whether FRPN can replicate its rival's prior success. Early investors have seen the value of their investments in FRPN more than double in a matter of hours, and this is just the first round of the token presale. There is still plenty of time to invest in the whole presale, which is predicted to grow by more than 1,000% in the next stages. With little over 40 days remaining in the FRPN presale, there is still time for prospective buyers to take advantage of this fantastic deal. The crypto space is about to go mainstream, with each project offering unique plans to survive and dominate the market. Is Filicoin, Fil, a good investment? How much will Filicoin be worth in 2025, or how much will Filicoin be worth in 10 years? Now we will try to answer all these questions. So, Fil rate prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new year. We are confident that the long-term Fil price forecast will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $29.21 and a minimum bid of $28.17. The maximum bid is expected to be around $32.21. Fil Price Prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Filicoin will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023, Fil is expected to peak at $48.89. The minimum bid could rise to $41.28 if the market turns bullish. Filicoin Price Prediction 2024. The current price range of Filicoin may be of interest to many traders, and therefore Fil could reach $72.85 by 2024, with significant cooperation with financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $64.11 for 2024, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2024. Filicoin Course Forecast 2025. Fil has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filicoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Fil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Fil Price Prediction 2026. The value of Filicoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Fil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filicoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Fil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Fil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Fil Price Prediction 2027. Fil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filicoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filicoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filicoin average price prediction for the end of 2027 could be around $185.55. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Filicoin Price Prediction 2028. It looks like by 2028, Filicoin, Fil, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be $277.57. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Filicoin's maximum price could be up to $312.37 in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Filicoin Price Prediction 2029. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated.